Hello good people, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time on this YouTube channel, karibu nyumbani. If you are a returning subscriber, karibu tena. In today's video, I'm going to set up everything that I showed you last year on the other video. Let's do it. This is the Speedlight, the stand, and the Softbox. These are the diffusers that we used. So we are done with the shoot. Tell me, how did the setup perform? And remember to
subscribe, like and share. Until next time, bye.
Yes guys, see you in the next one. Peace.